Ready to supercharge your weight loss journey? Today, we're diving straight into 10 foods you must avoid if you want to lose weight faster. No boring intros, just pure, unadulterated, fat-busting facts. And trust me, avoiding these foods will make you feel like a weight loss wizard. Let's go. 1. Sugary drinks. Think sodas, energy drinks, and even fruit juices. These are like liquid candy. They sneak in extra calories without making you feel full. Ditch them, and your waistline will thank you. 2. White bread. It's basically sugar in disguise. It spikes your blood sugar and leaves you craving more. Opt for whole grains and keep your carbs complex, not confused. 3. Candy bars. These sugar bombs are calorie-packed and nutrient-empty. For a sweet fix, try a piece of dark chocolate. Your taste buds will adjust, I promise. 4. Pastries, cookies, and cakes. These treats are a triple threat, high in sugar, fat, and calories. If you must indulge, bake healthier versions at home so you know what's going in them. 5. Ice cream. I know, it's heartbreaking, but ice cream is a calorie-dense dessert that's easy to overeat. Try frozen yogurt or nice cream, blended frozen bananas for a lighter treat. 6. French fries and potato chips. These crispy delights are full of unhealthy fats and salt. Swap them out for air pop popcorn or roasted chickpeas for a satisfying crunch. 7. Pizza. This one's a tough eye. Pizza is delicious, but often loaded with cheese and processed meats. Make your own with a cauliflower crust and lots of veggies. You'll still get your fix without the guilt. 8. Alcohol. Sorry, party animals. Alcohol is full of empty calories and can lower your inhibitions, leading to poor food choices. Opt for sparkling water with a splash of lime and stay sharp. 9. High-calorie coffee drinks. Your favorite cafe latte or caramel macchiato can pack as many calories as a meal. Stick to black coffee or add a splash of almond milk for flavor without the fluff. 10. Processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and deli meats are loaded with sodium and preservatives. Go for lean cuts of chicken or turkey instead. Your heart and hips will appreciate it. And there you have it, 10 foods to avoid if you're serious about shedding pounds quickly. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more weight loss wisdom.